So hey guys, welcome to Bilbo Tech. Bala here again with a new fresh episode of Bilbo. And today we are having the Redmi Note 9 Pro and Note 9 Pro Max review and specification in depth. So we are gonna compare it also in the end of the video. Without any further time, let's get straight into the video. But before going, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest videos from the Bilbo Tech. Do follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and hello. So without any further time, let's get straight into the video. Okay, first let's start with Redmi Note 9 Pro. So Redmi Note 9 Pro is a budget segmented phone from the Xiaomi. So they are trying to compete in the market of competing with Realme and other Vivo and Samsung. Now they recently launched this, and there are like rumors going on like they'll be launching MI notebooks also. Yes, they are gonna launch MI notebooks soon in India, and there were like just rumors going in now. Manu Kumar Jain, the managing director of Xiaomi India, has announced it officially on Twitter. And now let's go to the product launch. Recently in China, they have launched through online conference this particular Redmi Note 9 Pro and Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. This Redmi Note 9 Pro comes in the price of 13,999 and Redmi Note 9 Pro Max comes at the price of 16,499. Yes, this is a very competitive price segment because we have Vivo Z50 and other phones lined up in the same market, and there are some rumors being from Realme that they are going to launch a bunch of new phones in the market, to break out the COVID situations and come with a stable economy. And let's start with the colors available on this Redmi Note 9 Pro and Note 9 Pro Max. So we have totally three colors. One is Aurora Blue and Ivory White and Interstellar Black. So these are the three colors. We don't have any other colors, but we have options like 3 plus 32 GB variant, that is 3 GB RAM and 32 GB of internal, and 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal. This comes in the first part of Redmi Note 9 Pro. And in Redmi Note 9 Pro Max we have two variants, that is 664, that is 6 GB RAM and 64 GB of internal memory, and another is 6128, that is 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal memory. And all these features come in the price segment of 13k to 16k. Yes, that's a very competitive, as I said again. And let's go to the deep detail in specifications. So this also supports Wi-Fi calling, and this is protected with Gorilla 5 glass protection. And it's very surprised Xiaomi is giving at this price point. Now let's get into the processor. The processor, it's Qualcomm 720G. Yes, the beast of the processing industry, that is Qualcomm 720G. The Qualcomm 720G is like both default. Like let's take the case of Redmi Note 9 Pro and Note 9 Pro Max. The difference is very simple. The difference comes in the major part of camera, because in the camera part it is having quad camera. They are having a primary camera and a secondary camera and a wide angle camera and a depth sensor also. So in this Redmi Note 9 Pro, what we have is that we have 48 MP of primary camera. In the Redmi Note 9 Pro, we have 64 MP of primary camera, and all the cameras are being powered by AI. So your results will be enhanced, and you'll be getting a very better experience. And another added up feature for this particular is this is having 2+1. You may ask, what is 2+1? Yes, 2+1 is not. It's not like an offer or buy one get one. It's like just two SIM cards and one micro SD. We have seen a long time where Xiaomi has failed to give all these things, like one SIM card and one memory card, or two SIM cards, but they have surprised us this time. So let's hope for the launch and wait for it. But there are some rumors that Amazon will launch it in the next quarter of this month. So let's hope for the launch and let's look into it. So let's have the final comparison of Redmi Note 9 Pro and Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So first, in the Redmi Note 9 Pro we have the camera of 48 MP primary, and in here in the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max we have 64 MP as primary. In the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max we have 32 watts fast charging, so you can compare it. So this has a good charging speed compared to Redmi Note 9 Pro. And coming with final revisions of the specifications, this comes in three color. So as I said, Interstellar Black, Aurora Blue, Ivory White. So these are the three colors, and the pricing is very competitive, guys. If you're just looking for the price segment of 14 to 15K, you can just go for it. No, it's like a blind deal. That's what I can say as a tech reviewer. And Xiaomi is like not failing us at all. In the recent conference, they said like they'll be coming to MI notebooks, as I said on the earlier. MI notebooks will be getting into India, so that'll be a very, 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 very competitive segment for all the laptops like HP, Asus, and other Dell, all the companies out there, because it's so slim in such a way that it can even just compete with MacBook. Even like a lot of tech YouTubers has even recommended those things. But in Billboard Tech, we have been trying to get the hands on of it, but you know it, right? Customs is the main problem for us, because every time when we try to import now, there'll be like a lot of custom issues, because like there are like COVID going in, and already Indian customs are like it's like a very hectic process for us. That's the reason. So let's wait for the launch of the MI notebook, and we have Shark 3 coming up. Then we have MI Note 10 also coming up. So these are like different things coming up in the market, and it's lined up by Xiaomi. Comment down below like which part of the video you have liked, and if you have any doubt on the specifications or anything relevant to the Redmi Note 9 Pro and Note 9 Pro Max, let me know in the comment section below. I'll just catch you up there, no issues at all. Before getting into the end of the video, subscribe to the Billboard Tech and click the bell icon so you get the all latest tech videos from Billboard Tech. Follow us on all social media platforms: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Hello. So this is Bala signing out. I'll see you in the next one.